With the high demand for COVID-19 tests, health officials are warning that scam artists are preying on people who may be desperate, setting up bogus testing sites to potentially steal your personal information or your money. News 8's Richard Allen explains what you need to know and what you need to ask so you don't become a victim.
Well, that's right. Don't be afraid to ask questions at any COVID testing site you go to. Workers there should be able to tell you which lab test is being used, where it's being run, and how you'll receive your results.
People are tired, they're sick, and it just more than frustrating to know that there are people out there that would just take advantage of that.
Dr. Eric McDonald is San Diego County's chief medical officer. He's sounding the alarm on COVID-19 pop-up testing sites that are potentially scam operations.
People are taking advantage of a really nationwide rush on testing.
He cautions these bogus sites may set up shop near a legitimate testing site that has a frustratingly long line.
They're trying to take advantage of the fact that that's a customer that might want to test. Let's see if we can lure them over here with the promise of a rapid turnaround that may not be legitimate.
While these scam artists could be trying to gather your social security number or other personal information for identity theft, McDonald says their motivations are not always clear.
Whether it's to gather information to perhaps send a fraudulent claim to an insurance company, or whether they're trying to get an upfront a fee from somebody that may not result in a legitimate test.
Keep in mind, a testing site may be a scam if it's set up on a sidewalk, not affiliated with a medical provider. The site's materials do not have a logo, or the site's workers can't answer basic questions such as how they're credentialed.
Also, if they're asking for information that they simply don't need, they don't need your social security number to get a test.
This week, the Federal Trade Commission also issued a warning about fake COVID-19 at-home testing kits being sold online. Experts advise that you take a few moments to check that the kit you're buying has FDA approval. And for a list of those FDA-approved at-home test kits, just go to cbsa.com and click on the Help button. There you'll also find a link to all county-approved COVID testing locations.